Alright, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get in this chip here inside here. This is not the original chip. That one here is the original. So normally I would tell the client to try use a tweezer to get it inside here. If they don't have it, what's the next story? So just to get it in, what I would normally tell them to do is just turn it to the side like this. And let it fall right in the groove. Even
you have challenge.
Even me have challenge. And then put it right to the edge like that. And just slide it in. That's for the regular. This is for the replacement chip. But for the original chip, which is the one that the firmware update isn't blocking, this is the one that the clients are having challenge getting in because of the thickness of it. So we'll turn it this way. I don't know if you can see there. Okay, we turn it. Tell them to put it right to the edge like this. Now once you put it to the edge, it always buck right on this black thing right here. This groove right in the middle. Keep on bucking right there. So once you get them to get it right there, we have to have them put something behind it and prise the chip out.
So it falls in the groove.
So it falls right in the groove.
Oh, that can be a challenge.
And then we push it down. Now it look a bit easy because I'm doing it, but when a regular client is trying to do it, it seems to be a challenge. But for the next one, it's going pretty easy. For the next cartridge, that is going pretty easy. So that's the challenge we're having to get this chip, the chip onto this new cartridge right here.